Good morning, children. A warm welcome to the IT class. Today we are going to study lesson number 3, page formatting in MS Word. Microsoft Word is a word processor that helps you to create documents with a professional outlook. It not only provides the facility to type or edit the text but also offers features to enhance the overall appearance of the text. In the previous class, we have learnt basic editing and formatting tools like inserting, moving, copying, changing the font, text alignment, etc. In this session, we will enhance your skills by learning some advanced features of editing and formatting. Format Painter. The Format Painter tool is used when you want to copy and apply the formatting of one section of text or graphic such as color, font style and size and border style to another section of text or graphic. Format Painter. The Format Painter feature in MS Word is used to copy formatting from one part of the document to another. The poem has been typed on MS Word. The first stanza of the poem has a specific font type, color and size. The font type, size and color are together called format. To apply the same format to the second paragraph, we can use the Format Painter tool. To use the Format Painter tool, follow these steps. Select the text whose formatting is to be copied. Select Format Painter from the Home tab. The mouse pointer changes to a paintbrush icon. Apply the copied format by dragging the brush over the desired text. Finding and replacing text. Sometimes we repeatedly misspell something in a document such as a person's name. Also, sometimes we want to replace a particular word with another in a document. In such cases, we can use the Find and Replace feature to locate a word or phrase in a document and replace it with new text. To open the Find and Replace or go to window, press the F5 key. Finding text. To find a particular word or phrase, follow these steps. Click the Home tab. In the editing group, click Find. To find a word or phrase in a document, press Ctrl plus F. A navigation pane will appear on the left side of your screen. Type the word or phrase you want to find and the top of the navigation pane. If the text has the word or phrase you are looking for, it will be highlighted in yellow and a preview of the search results will appear in the navigation pane. To move through the results one at a time, you can use the arrow keys. You can also select a preview to jump directly to the location of the specific result. Replacing text. To replace a particular word or phrase, follow these steps. Click the Home tab. In the editing group, click Replace. To find and replace dialog box is displayed with the Replace tab selected. In the Find What box, type the word or text you want to search. In the Replace with box, type the word or text you want to replace the current word in the Find What box with. Click on Find Next. MS Word will find the first instance of the text and highlight it in grey. To change individual instances of the text, click Replace. To replace every instance of the text, click Replace All. I hope you all have understood Format Painter. In the next session, we will be studying page layout. Thank you.